This is a 50-year-old institution. We have started from school. We have degree college. We also have Shiv Shivani Institute of Management, where we offer PGDM program from past 25 years, and we also have ranked first in the place for placements in India. We are among top 40 schools in India, and we also started SSIM Center for International Studies, basically to provide high quality education in tie up with universities of UK and US. We are also tied up with Herzing University in US, and again we recently last month we are also planning to have tie-ups in UK with University of West of England, where we wanted to offer UG and PG programs exclusively in management area to the students of Hyderabad, wherein they will have advantage of not only saving money, they will get high standard degrees both in EG and PG. We are offering BBA and MBA management program. Only 2 courses presently we are planning to offer through the UK and US tie-up. We also have a tie-up with the Institute of Commercial Management in UK, where we offer programs in a majority of management areas. These are all short-term programs. People from India, from Hyderabad can join the program, and they need not go to UK all the way for these programs. They can join us and do the programs at Hyderabad itself. So we are trying to provide, in International Studies division, we are trying to provide programs from UK and US for the Hyderabad student. We have presently one branch in Hyderabad, in Secunderabad, Kompally. We are also recently taken over a college in Visakhapatnam. From 2014, we are also planning to start a batch there. This year it's a degree college we have taken over, and degree college which comes at the Andhra University. We have taken over the degree college at Visakhapatnam. It's located in Jagdamba Center. We are also planning to have this Center for International Studies in Visakhapatnam from this year onwards, wherein we wanted to start our first flagship program, BBA. BBA batch we want to start in both Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. We have well qualified faculties. We have more than 50 faculties. In that, majority of them are doctorates. And we also the faculty base is mixed. We have industry experience, people who are also coming from industries with 20-25 years of experience, and who are also academicians. So we have a campus, a 10-acre campus in Kompally. We have a full-fledged it's a hi-fi campus. We also have a separate placement division. We give a lot of weightage to placements. We also been awarded as a best placement for the best placements in last year. And our students are already getting placed, and we also, and for the PGDM program, we get students across India. That's the beauty of our campus. We also have both residential, non-residential programs, and the strength of PGDM, we already have 500 students. This year again we are going to start with 300 students for this 2014 batch.